Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine. In this video, we are going to see grade 6 science unit 2 forces and motion. Let us see. We have already studied in lower classes pull or push. Okay, example for push or pull is open the door and then hit a football, lift our school bag. These are all example for push and pull. Next one is motion and rest. What is rest? What is motion? So you keep one book middle on the table. Is the book moving? It is not moving. Book is at rest. If you push the book to one side of the table, the book will move. Some pictures are given in your book, push or pull. Can you identify the pictures? Which one is push, which one is pull? See this picture. One coconut tree is there. The coconut is falls to the ground. So ripen coconut falls to the ground. What pulls it to the ground? That is force of gravity of earth. So gravity pulls the ripen coconut from the tree to the ground. So motion is the moving objects. So that is motion. Okay. So the motion is divided into three groups. So one is based on path, based on duration and based on speed. So based on path, motion is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types. So linear motion, curvilinear motion and circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motions and zigzag or irregular motions. Based on duration, periodic motion and non-periodic motion. Based on speed, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Now the motion, the first part based on path of motion divided into 6 types. Shall we see the example for each one? So linear motion means moving in a straight line. So like a person walking on the straight path, free fall, these are all example for linear motion. At the curvilinear motion example, throwing ball, okay, moving ahead but changing directions. The example throwing ball. Third one circular motion, moving in a circular, swirling stone அப்படி சுற்றுறது, ஒரு கல்லில் ஒரு நூலில் என்ன பண்ணுறது, ஒரு சின்ன ஸ்டோன்ஸ் வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே சுற்றுறது, அது வந்து சர்க்குலர் மோஷனுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ரொட்டேட்டரி, த மூமெண்ட் ஆஃப் த பாடி அபவுட் இன் ஓன் ஆக்சிஸ். ஸோ இப்போ எர்த்தை நம்ம சொல்லலாம், லைக் ஏ ரொட்டேட்டிங் டாப் எக்ஸெட்ரா. ஸோ ஆசிலரி மோஷன் coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval. That is example for pendulum. Next one, zigzag or irregular movement. The motion of a bee. Example for this one. Here activity 6, different types of motions and examples are given in the table column. You have to classify the following according to the path. You have to do yourself. Next one is periodic and non-periodic motions. Periodic motion means motion repeated in equal interval of time. It's called periodic motion. Example, hour hand of a clock. Okay. Next one, non-periodic motions. Here is not in uniform interval. Okay. So that is called non-periodic motion. Example for this one, sapling swing in wind is example for non-periodic motion. Next one, moon around the earth is periodic motion but not in oscillatory motion. But children playing in a swing is both periodic and oscillatory motion. Next topic is fast, speed or slow. So speed or slow is depend upon the motions. Compared to walking, cycling is fast. A bus is faster than the cycle. So aeroplane is much faster than a bus. So speed S equal to distance traveled by time taken. So distance traveled capital D, time taken small t. So speed of S equal to D by T. So one sum is here. Bus takes 3 hours to cover this distance of 180 kilometers. Then its average speed is, so average speed என்ன அப்படின்னா distance traveled by time taken. So 180 kilometer divided by 3 hours, so 60 kilometer. 1 ஹவருக்கு எவ்வளோ அப்படின்னா 60 kilometers வந்து travel ஆகுது. Have you noticed here 60 kilometer per hour? So meter, second, kilometer comes next to our answer for speed. So what is it? It is a unit of speed. So already we studied in our chapter 1. So SI unit of distance in meter, SI unit of time is second, and SI unit of speed is meter per second. Some sums are given in your book, so you have to practice it yourself. So based on speed, motion is divided into uniform and non-uniform motions. First one is uniform motion. If an object covers uniform distance in uniform intervals, that motion is called then the motion of the object, that is called uniform motion. Otherwise that is non-uniform motions. Another one is multiple motion is that. So see here one picture. One boy cycling here. So the tire rotate and make a rotatory motion, but the cycle as such moves forward in a linear path. So this is the example for multiple motion. See here, what is this science today topic? Robot. So robot, have you seen robot anywhere? So this is robot. So the automatic machines, robot can perform fast, accurate than people's. So comes from word roboto, meaning for labor. So meaning for labor. So what can robots do? So they can sense, the robots can sense and respond to their surroundings. They can handle delicate objects or apply great force for example, perform the eye operations guided by the human surgeon, and assemble a car with artificial intelligence. So our robots will also be able to make decisions for themselves. So how do robots sense? The electronic sensors are robotic eyes or ears. So the twin video cameras given the robots 3D view for the world. Microphones detect the sounds, and pressure sensor gives the robot a sense of touch to judge how hard to grip an egg or heavy luggages. Next one, artificial intelligence of the robots. Artificial intelligence attempts to create a computer programs that think like a human brains. Next one, can robots think? Yes, robots can think. They can play the complex games and chess better than the human beings. But will a robot ever know that it is thinking? Yes, humans are conscious. We know we are thinking, but we don't know how consciousness works. So we do not know if robots can ever be conscious. Next one, nanorobotics. And the nanorobotics are the robots scaled down to microscopic size in order to put them into the very small spaces to perform your functions. The future nanorobots could be placed in the blood streams to perform the surgical procedures that are too delicate, too difficult for standard surgery also. Imagine if a nanobot could target a cancer cell and destroy them without touching the healthy cells nearby. So once again, the motion is divided into 3 types based on path, based on duration, based on speed. So based on path is divided into 6 types: linear, curvilinear, circular, rotatory, oscillatory, and zigzag. Based on duration, periodic and non-periodic. Based on speed, uniform motion and non-uniform motions. That's all, children. In this chapter, we learned forces and motions, different types of motions, contact and non-contact forces, uniform and non-uniform forces. Okay, children. We will see in the next video. Thank you.